greetings of the day. Today we discuss about 18 watt submersible water pump. This water pump we used in a hydroponic unit. This pump used as a water circulation in this unit. So first we discuss about specification. Topic 1.1 specification. Voltage range 180 to 230. Power 18 watt. Water output 1100 liter per hour to 3800 liter per hour. Company Elove. And topic 1.2 demonstration. This water pump inserted in water storage at bottom side, and this is a water outlet pipe. So nearer 1.3 meter upside lifting water for water circulation. So this is regarding 18 watt submersible water pump. Thank you.